Today we're going to show you how to make a standard wide picnic table, similar to this one over here. Don't start your picnic table until you've got a set of plans or CAD drawings that let you know the exact angles of the timber and the length of the cuts that you'll need to make. When buying your timber, select the better pieces and don't be scared to ask for sections without knots, or as much as you can without knots, because as you can see from these, they are available and it will make a better looking table. We need to cut 4 sets of legs, all to the same length. We're going to do multiple cuts to trench out the sections for the supporting beams. We're going to clean out the trenches. And they should fall right out. Right, cut it. We can clean this up with a chisel to make it nice and flat. We use the router to get a nice, even, smooth finish. We make a rebate for the bolts. And drill a vertical hole. So once done, we now have our legs ready. We now cut 2 sets of seats. And trim the corners at 45. And this will be our seats. We cut 5 boards for the tabletop. We trim the corners at 45 only on the outside board. And that completes our table tops. We also trim off the seat beam supports. And that completes our seat beams. Trimming off the tabletop beam supports. And that finalises the table beams. We also need a set of braces under the table. And the braces make our final components. We need to sand back all the sharp edges. We now need to assemble the A-frames, and we use the top beam there, and the support beam for the seat goes in here. As you can see, they're a nice tight fit. Some clients actually require support beams much thicker. It depends on the client needs. We drill the holes for the bolts, and we tighten the bolts. In the assembly, we tack on the 2 seats and the central piece, and then we square across diagonally to make sure it is perfectly square. And that's exactly what it was. We then attach the bracing section. For a standard table, we use 75mm galvanised batten screws. Another heavy duty commercial table almost ready to go out.